All of the signs are pointing towards an altcoin season like we have never seen before. And I'm going to be talking about it in the video today, guys, because as you can see, search volume is the highest level that it's been in the last 5 years, and search volume is anticipated to go even higher. Now, that's all despite the fact that altcoin season's not here yet, level of 34 out on CoinMarketCap, and the Fear and Greed Index is showing just 3 ticks into the green at a level of 63. So in this video, we're going to talk about some of these statistics. We're going to go over some of the volume happening in altcoins right now. And we're also going to be talking about some of the top altcoins to buy now. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro. Now, all of the signs are extremely positive for altcoins. I'm going to talk about some of those signs before we jump into which altcoins I am buying and which ones I believe are the best to buy now. And the first of which is the search volume. Google Trend Analytics, and you guys can recreate this for yourself out on trends.google.com. You can see that altcoins are currently at a level of 80. Well, it was 80. I don't know. It's not. There you go. 80. It's anticipated to go up to a level of 100, creating even more demand in the coming week. We are dwarfing everything that we have seen over the last 5 years. Guys, more and more people are interested in altcoins than there's been in the last 5 years, and that is an extremely good sign. Next up on the list, well, we ticked up above 50 for a couple days, or we never closed above it, right? It was simply intraday ticks above 50, meaning that altcoin season is trying to begin, but we are not there yet. So if you're thinking that it's too late, Ethereum's already at $3,800. Think again, because the signs are showing us that we have not yet truly begun. A level of 63 on the Fear and Greed Index shows us we got so much more potential to run higher. Now, these three signs combined are excellent, but take a look at the volume as well. Now, you guys can Google this article right here and go check it out for yourself. But basically, what we're seeing is the dominance of Ethereum's futures volume has surpassed Bitcoin for the first time since 2022. It says Ether has gained everybody's attention over the past few weeks, with new data showing a clear shift away from Bitcoin, as the biggest altcoin by market capitalization has rallied more than 50% in a month. According to Glassnode, Ether's perpetual futures dominance has overtaken Bitcoin for the first time since 2022, making the largest volume skew in ETH's favor on record. The analytics platform noted the shift confirms a meaningful rotation of speculative interest towards the altcoin sector. So guys, you combine these four indicators, these four pieces of data, and we have got a brilliant opportunity. Now, to be completely honest with everybody, I believe in diversification, and if you go on down the line and pick up some of the biggest altcoins, you're probably going to be in good hands. That is my approach. Now, I am structuring it, however. I own some Bitcoin. I own a lot of the blue chips, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, and Tron. Tron and SUI and Toncoin. Toncoin's a little bit smaller, but those are, let's call them my heaviest held altcoins, and they're all rather large. But on down the line from there, I own a lot of smaller meme coins as well. So looking at this, if I had to pick the top 3 altcoins, I am choosing Ethereum, Solana, and I am choosing Snorter token. Now, these three, they combine some of the heavier blue chip altcoins in Solana and Ethereum, right? And it's let's call it a lottery ticket play, very high risk, very high reward, a speculative play in Snorter token. Now, Snorter token is building a trading bot that you can use on the Solana network. And one of the reasons I like Solana so much is that it's cheap, it's fast, and its meme coin culture is amazing. I believe it is going to thrive in the upcoming bull market when retail can't resist anymore, when the Fear and Greed Index is showing extreme greed, people are buying everywhere, prices are rising, they don't want to stop, and they all jump in. I believe that's going to be a very, very good time for SnorterBot, because these trading bots thrive when retail investors use them. And if retail investors understood that they can take emotion out of their trades and that they can compete with the lowest fees and fastest execution on Solana, it is going to give them a competitive edge. Now, if you're interested in learning more, you can click that link down in the description below. You can compare SnorterBot to all of its competitors. You can get all of your questions answered down at the bottom of their page. I believe they've got like 15,000 followers out on their X account. Yeah, 15,000 followers. You guys can get even more questions answered out there. Keep up to date with everything that they're doing. But if you are interested in buying in, you're simply going to click on Buy Now with crypto or card and connect to wallet. So I like to connect via Best Wallet or Trust Wallet. And if you need to download that, you get a link for it in the description below. You're going to be able to download it absolutely free. And from there, you simply add it to your wallet, right? You type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. Analysts believe that this has a lot of potential. You guys have done some price predictions on it, and a lot of analysts expect that this could 10x in 2025. 10x's are not easy, but let me put it this way, right? If something's going to 10x, it is going to be meme coins. They're the most speculative in the crypto space. They're the highest reward potential in the crypto space. And of course, they're what explodes last. So during periods of extreme greed, when the bull market is at its peak, meme coins are going to rip. And therefore, I am buying now before that rip happens. Let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.